Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. And today I am doing a collab with Amanda Beth, and we are doing the ColourPop All I See Is Magic palette. So like I said, I'm doing a collab with Amanda Beth. If you guys have not checked out her channel, I will link her in the cards. She is the most funny person I have ever seen on YouTube. Oh my gosh, she cracks me up. She's out there, but she's amazing. I urge you guys to please go check her out. Go to her channel and watch her, because you absolutely will not be disappointed. So this was her idea. She asked me to do this with her, and what she asked me to do is two different eye looks on each eye, if that makes sense. So I have not played with this palette yet. This is what it looks like. I think this was from last year, if I'm not mistaken, but I thought I would give it a go and see what I can do with it. So I've already done most of my makeup. I just need to put an eye primer on or something to conceal my eyes. So I am going to do that first. As I'm making a mess here on my desk, everything is just falling everywhere. So I'm just going to use this Smashbox concealer. So, and just get that in there in my really disgusting, dirty beauty blender. Don't judge. So mine is, it's gross. So that looks pretty good. If my eyes look a little darker, it's because I had to take off all my makeup, well, all my eyeshadow to do this video. So I'm trying to bang out some videos today. So the first thing I'm gonna do, we'll start with this eye first. So I'm just glad they don't have to match. So if I mess up on one, it won't be horrible on the other. So let's see, what color do I want to pick first? I'm just going to grab this color right here and just put that all over my lid. So I love ColourPop, I really do. I know you can get this in Ipsy as an add-on. They had it last month. I don't know if they still have it anymore. I did go to, I'm just gonna put on both eyes actually. Don't listen to anything that I say. But they did have, like I said, they had this in Ipsy a while ago and last month, and I didn't see it there, so I ended up having to get this on eBay because ColourPop does not have it anymore. So, but it's there if you want to use it. Oh my gosh, my cat is biting my feet. Ah! Jersey, be a good girl. So next I am going to this is the hardest part for me. I don't know where to start. I think I'm definitely going to do a green because I don't usually do green, so we'll do that. So let's grab this color right here just to do in the crease. I'm really curious to see what kind of look she does with hers, so I'm excited. So she is so funny. You've got to watch her Cheetos video. It's something else. Oh my goodness, do I love her. She is something. So that is a pretty color actually. That blends out really good. We got that. So next I am going to I'll take this little brown color right here and just put that on my outer lid. And if actually you guys watch me, I make no sense half the time. If you can follow along with me, I love you guys, because I'll sit back to edit these videos and I'm like, Liz, you are a dork. Like the biggest dork ever. I was like, do you know anything you're saying? And I'm like, So, but I'm real. I'm as real as you're gonna get. So, okay, this color is not paying out whatsoever. See if I can get it on a little darker. I'm putting it on and I don't know where the hell it's going. It's kind of there. Jersey, we don't want any. We really don't. So next I'm gonna go into that green shade right here. There's no shade names on this palette. And put that in my inner lid. Yeah. This is where I don't wear greens too much. I think if you have hazel eyes or brown eyes, that, see, look what I made a huge mess. That greens look great on you. They are, to me, you might think differently. They are not my shades. Okay, I don't like this brush. I have never in my life gotten it like all over the place. I am just making a huge mess. Let's see if I can find a better blending brush. Jersey, honey, nobody wants any. Nobody. I'm sorry. I fed you this morning. I don't know what you want. It's not horrible. I'm not a green girl. I don't know why. I just absolutely, I don't like greens. So I'm excited. Jeffree Star, the Blood Sugar palette dropped yesterday, and I finally was able to get my hands on it, which I am so excited about. I know it's old news, but for me, it's new news, because it's so hard to get some of his palettes, so I still want to get Thirsty too, but I haven't been able to get that one either, so I keep hoping. So, and I did hear on Snapchat yesterday that James Charles's palette is going to be dropping again very, very, very soon, which is amazing. So I gotta pick up another one of those for you guys. So, because I promised, and this girl likes to keep her promises. And the cat's promising to eat my feet. Ow, Jersey, stop! Oh, she's being a brat. She's usually not this bad. Not at all. So I'm gonna grab this right here. It's like a little gold color, and I'm just gonna put that in the middle, in the lid. Okay, maybe I changed my mind. Maybe I do kind of like greens, because that's honestly very, very pretty. I lied to you guys. I lied. I'm a horrible person. That is really pretty. Wow. Okay, I'm shook. I'm shook to my core. So I'm just gonna grab this white and try to clean up the top a little bit. So I do like, I will say, it is very, very pretty. So next eye. Let's see what craziness we're gonna do on this one. So as always, I put that base on it first, this color right here. And next I need a transition color, so we'll do the little pink transition color this time. We'll step out of the box, if it will show up. Take it in the pan. My husband's gonna come home and be like, honey, I love you, but why do you have two different color eyes on? I'll be like, it was a challenge. I could do it. You know what sucks when you talk to you guys and you dip your brush in the wrong color. Some people will never learn. Place that on my inner corner because my wonderful camera keeps turning off on me. I'm just patting it in. I know, Jersey, we're just doing it. You can't ever leave your mama alone, can you? And next I have this like really, really pretty like metallic pinkish maroonish color. So that's what that looks like. And I'm just gonna dab that on my inner lid. Oh, that's really pretty too. I did not think this palette would be so good. You would think I'd like it. It says all I see is magic, and that's all about me. So I am shook to the core at how much this palette is. It's gorgeous. Where's that cute little brush I had last time? There it is. Wipe off the green on my pants. Shh, don't tell nobody. And pick that up. And if you hear the noise in the background, it's just you guys leaving me comments on my YouTube. Yay! So, because I just filmed that Yes Oh Yes unboxing this morning. If I don't end up liking that one, I'm gonna get rid of it in 3 months. But the good thing is with me getting all these subscription boxes, if I don't like them, you guys get more stuff from me, which I'm sure nobody's gonna complain over that at all, because everybody loves free stuff. I like free stuff. Oh, I've tried to do giveaways or applied to giveaways for forever. This girl, nope, has never won one yet. But I try. So right now I'm just trying to put into that crease right here. I really, really, really love this palette. So much. So I'm gonna grab this little like white crystal, and I'm just gonna pat that in the middle to dab a little sparkle. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm trying to think, do I have to do any errands today? Because I'm gonna be going out in public like this, because I'm not washing my face again. This should be the new trend, just 2 different eyeshadows. You know, 2 different eyes. No, 2 eyes with 2 different colors on it. I really, really, really like that a lot. So I'm gonna dip into that too and do my inner corner, and the dogs are barking, which means the hubby must be home because he went in a job interview today. He is looking for a better job. So we need more money, gotta support my makeup habit. But it's no different from him like buying tools, because that man buys so many tools, and I'm always like, yeah. But I can't judge him for buying tools when I'm buying all this makeup. So I think this is pretty. I think I did a good job. I actually really love that green. So I am shocked how much I absolutely love this palette. So give me a minute. I am gonna do my eyeliner and my mascara, and I will be right back with you guys. So there we go, guys. All done. I ended up using that Better Than Sex mascara. It's not Better Than Sex. Actually, I prefer my Wander mascara 1,000 times more than this mascara. It's good, as you can see, but it's not my favorite. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video though, because I am just crazy today and I don't know what's going on with me, but I'm in a good mood. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, and you know what, a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys lots. Bye guys.